In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the Vercel 404 not found error. This issue often arises due to a variety of reasons, such as incorrect configurations or caching problems. By following these steps, you will be able to troubleshoot and fix the error effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Google search page by typing www.com into the address bar and pressing the Enter key. This action will take you to the Google homepage where you can start your troubleshooting process. Next, locate the three vertical dots usually found in the upper right corner of the browser window. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options for browser management, which will help you clear any cache data that might be causing the 4 error. After that, look for the option labeled Privacy and Security within the drop-down menu. Click on this option to access privacy settings. This section allows you to manage your browser's data, which is essential for resolving issues related to cached information. Once you are in the Privacy and Security section, find and click on the option that says Clear Browsing Data. This will open a new window where you can select the types of data you wish to clear. Make sure to choose the appropriate time range to effectively delete any relevant cache. In the Clear Browsing Data window, check the box next to Cached Images and Files. This selection ensures that you are specifically targeting the cached data that may be causing the 404 error. After making your selections, click on the Clear Data button to remove the cached files from your browser. After completing the clearing process, open a new tab and navigate to the Vercel website. This action can be done by typing vercel.com in the address bar and pressing Enter. Once the Vercel homepage loads, check if the 404 error persists. If the page loads correctly, the issue has been resolved. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.